Hey WitBlox Makers, great to see you again. First of all, let me wish you all a very happy new year. With every new year comes greater challenges and obstacles in life. 2020 was a tough time for all of us. As we are still recovering, we learned a lot from all the shortcomings we faced this year. But we must always remember that even after the darkest night, a brighter morning awaits. So to celebrate the onset of this new year, we have a very interesting innovation for all of you. It's called the Levitating Night Lamp. Let's have a look. Light represents hope, and magnet simply means attracting like-minded people, isn't it? WitBlox community has got bigger and bigger. On this occasion of a new beginning, on behalf of the entire WitBlox team, I would like to thank all the members of the Makers community. It's time to light the levitating night lamp. But first, let's figure out how. In this project, we have used the simple concept of magnetism, which says opposite poles attract each other. Let's see how it works. Magnet number 1 is tied to a string and is suspended on the top end of the lamp. Magnet number 2 is tied to a different string, but this string's other end is connected to a small white board. This white board is placed inside a small enclosure which is painted black from inside. Remember, the size of the board must be smaller than the enclosure so that it can move up and down. This second magnet with its string and the white board inside the enclosure will act as a switch for our project. Now take WitBlox power and connect it to distance and two lamps using in and out. Place the IR sensor along the enclosure and set its range. When the IR sensor senses the black part of the enclosure, the lamp is off. When the second magnet is brought close to the first magnet, due to opposite pole attraction, the second magnet tries to move closer to the first. This makes the white board come in front of the IR sensor and thereby turning on the lamp. Make sure to keep the length of the strings in such a way that they do not let the two magnets to stick. So now, here is a twist in the story. This levitating night lamp is your next challenge. Isn't that cool? So are you ready? The last date to upload your challenge is 16 Jan 2021 and the grand prize is something special this time. So the WitBlox R&D team has come up with a new blocks called the Wi-Fi clip. Using this Wi-Fi clip, which is controlled by a specially designed app by WitBlox, you can either switch on or off any blocks which will be connected further to this Wi-Fi clip blocks. Let's check out how it works. Every Wi-Fi clip comes with an unique IP address. When you open your phone's Wi-Fi, you will see a new device by the name Wi-Fi clip. Just click on it to connect your phone's Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi clip blocks. Open the specially designed app and enter the IP. Once connected, you can use the on and off tab to control your Wi-Fi clip. So if you win the grand prize, you will be the first person in the entire world to try your hand on this new invention from WitBlox called the Wi-Fi clip. Best of luck, keep inventing, and wish you a very happy new year once again.